What to do when Frigidaire gallery oven keeps beeping even when turned off.
Hello, thank you for using this service. I will be helping you with your problem today. Good afternoon. Do you see a fault code? Can you get us the full model number also?
When turned on at first we would receive F1 or F3. Now it beeps all of a sudden in the middle of the night when it's not on. We have disconnected the power for a while already and cleaned the sensor. Now we only receive F3 code. It's a Frigidaire gallery.
Okay, the F3 is a bad oven sensor. Can you give me the full model number from inside the drawer? F3 oven temperature sensor open, replace oven temperature sensor.
Model number, CFEB789JCB3. Forgot to mention it's a convection oven.
Okay, great. Here's the probe. It's manufacturer number NNNNNNNN. You need to order and replace the probe. It's inside the oven on the back wall. You're in Canada, so you need to order it there. In the meantime, all you can do is shut the breaker off when you're not using the range to stop the beeping. Thanks and best wishes, Bryan.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.